Hello learners. Welcome to 9th video of this TypeScript tutorial. In this video, we will learn type aliases in TypeScript. In the last video we have gone through the concept of enums. If you have not watched that video, you can watch it now. If you are new to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. If you are not following this TypeScript playlist, I would request you to please follow this TypeScript full course playlist. You will get the link in the I button or in the description box. Stick to this video till the end. Let's get started with the video. A type alias is like creating a custom name, alias, for any TypeScript type. A type alias gives a custom name to any valid TypeScript type, string, number, object, array, function, union, etc. Let's understand this through example. For that we will define a string type variable, channel. After that, we will see how we can create custom name for the string type. After we created a custom type alias called value for string type. Now, we are free to use it anywhere we need to define string. Boom! We are getting correct output. Let's try this with one more variable and data type. Now, let's create a type alias for number type. You can see defining type alias for different types is that easy. You might be thinking, what is the purpose of defining type alias, if we can directly define the exact type? Let's try defining type alias in objects and functions. After that you will get your answer. For objects, as we have learned in our previous videos, that for TypeScript it's a good practice to define the types of all object properties for type safety. So, we are creating an object person1 where we are defining the exact type name of all the properties. Person1 object is created, but what if we need to create multiple person objects with same properties? For that, we have defined all the types, which will make our code look lengthy and complex. As a solution of this, we can create a type alias for all the properties we are using, in order to simplify our code. You can also define any properties as optional by simply putting question mark after its name. As a result, it would be your choice whether you want to define that property in your object or not. Let's see how we can give type alias in case of nested objects. For defining the type alias, for the nested object you need to define the type alias above the line of the main object type alias. Now, let's see how to define type alias in case of functions. Here, we have created a function which will take two numbers as its parameter and return the sum of it. Similar to objects, as the more number of functions we will create with same parameter and returning time, we need to define the types of each parameter and returning type of the functions every time. So, in order to make things simple, we can separately define a type alias and use it wherever required. You can see how the code got simplified by using type alias. Our code runs fine and it is giving the correct output. This was all in this video. Hope you loved it. If you like this channel, help us grow, like this video, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. Do access the playlist from the description and join our Discord server from the link in the description. Share your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.